everyone, and welcome to PC Tips Pro. If you use Gmail regularly, today's video is going to save you time and clicks. I'm going to show you some awesome built in keyboard shortcuts in Gmail that will help you navigate, compose, archive, and manage emails like a pro, all without touching your mouse. Now, first things first, shortcuts are super handy, but you need to make sure that they are turned on. So, here's how. First of all, you need to click on the gear icon, that is the settings icon on the upper right corner, and then click on the See All Settings option. Then, under the General tab, scroll down to see the Keyboard Shortcuts option and then click on the Keyboard Shortcuts on to turn it on. And then go down and do not forget to click on the Save Changes option. Click on that. And now, after doing that, you can access the shortcuts. So, all right, now let's get into the shortcuts that you'll actually use every day. The first shortcut is to open the Compose window without going and clicking on the Compose icon. And you can do that by just pressing C. There you go. So if you press the letter C from your keyboard, you can now open the Compose box without going and clicking on the icon. So, how do you open a new Compose window after composing your previous email? You can just press Shift plus the letter C to open a new Compose window, and there you go. Now, the next shortcut would be how to search mail. So, if you just press on the forward slash, here you will see that your cursor automatically jumps to the search mail. And from here, you can go on and search any mail which you want to search. The third shortcut is how to navigate through emails. So let's say I open this email, and now if I just press the letter J from the keyboard, it will take me to the next mail. And if I want to go to the previous one, then just press K. And here we go. I have arrived on the previous email. And now our fourth shortcut key would be how to open an email. So whatever email is selected on your Gmail, if you just press on O, it will directly open that email. The next thing would be how to archive an email. So once you've selected your mail, and if you just press on the letter E, it will directly archive your email. Here you can see. And now the next shortcut would be how to delete an email. So for that, first of all, you would just need to select the email which you want to delete and then press on Shift plus the letter 3. And here it says that the conversation is moved to the trash. Next is how to star or unstar an email using a shortcut. And for that, first select your email and just press the letter S. And there you go, it is starred here. Now, these were just few of the shortcuts that Gmail offers. And if you want to see all the available shortcuts in Gmail, just press Shift plus the question mark. And so once you do that, here as you can see, it will pop up a cheat sheet of all the Gmail shortcuts. Here you can see we have shortcuts to focus on the main window, focus on the latest chat, undo, redo, previous font, next font. So whenever you don't feel like taking your cursor and doing the work and just want to use a shortcut, just click on Shift plus the question mark to arrive at all these shortcut cheat sheets and use whatever you want to use. And so this is how keyboard shortcuts can be super effective and it can help you to take control of your inbox. And well, that's a wrap on Gmail keyboard shortcuts. These tips will help you speed through your inbox and look like an email ninja. So, if you found this video useful, please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box. Thank you and have a nice day.